Are you looking for info about Salt Lake City roofers? You're in the right place. Let's navigate the intricacies of roof repair pricing in this unique city. Many homeowners make mistakes while selecting roofers. Let's dive into the top 3 mistakes to avoid when hiring a roofer in Salt Lake City. Mistake 1. Not researching adequately. Always check credentials and reviews before finalizing your decision. Ask for recommendations and read reviews. Let's discuss how pricing works. Factors like materials and repairs influence the average roof repair price in Salt Lake City. Understanding these can set realistic expectations. Consider requesting emergency roof repair quotes when needed. Being prepared for sudden expenses can save you money and prevent future damage. Finally, a well-maintained roof is more cost-effective in the long run. Regular maintenance can save on big repairs. Talk to your chosen roofer about maintenance plans. Let's start with an important question. What influences roof repair costs the most? Factors include the extent of damage, materials required, and local labor rates. Consult your roofing professional for an accurate estimate. A common question is, what should I expect in a roofing quote? Expect details on materials, labor, timelines, and warranties. Understanding this can help you make informed decisions. Lastly, many wonder how long roof repairs take. Depending on the project size and weather conditions, repairs can range from a few hours to several days. Always discuss timelines with your contractor. Ready to get started? Call us now at 385-300-1135 for a free, no-obligation quote. We are ready to help ensure your roof stands the test of time. See our website, allprosroofingsaltlakecity.com.